Hello everyone, have you been to today? Here we're gonna teach you how to integrate PinChat with WhatsApp. It will help you easier to reply the WhatsApp message from the dashboard of PinChat. And first, select third-party integration. Select WhatsApp integration. If you have any issue during the setup, you can read this article. So, the first step, you need to open your app in Meta Developer Console, click on Product, WhatsApp, and then get your phone number ID on the Getting Started page. Okay, so here, select WhatsApp, Get Started. And you'll see your phone number ID is here. Copy this one. Paste to the field. And second, copy this webhook URL, go to configuration page, and paste this URL to the callback URL. Copy this one and back to the configuration. So here, edit. Pass the callback URL here. For the verify token, you can input anything, maybe PinChat. Okay, verify and save. And the verify token on the configuration page can be anything you like. This verify token is mainly used for authorization if you need to edit the callback URL. And manage, remember, add message and subscribe. And next one, get a permanent token. So we need to visit Meta Business Platform. Here's the Meta Business Suite. Select Setting, Business Setting, and you need to select System Users here. Select Generate Token. Select an app, and you need to make sure WhatsApp Business Messaging are all be clicked. Generate Token. And copy this. Paste back to here. And once, if you confirm all data you filled in is correct, press save. Okay, so everything's done. You can start to reply WhatsApp business message from PinChat's dashboard. Use PinChat to manage your WhatsApp message easier and faster.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.